Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete or deactivate your Facebook account. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Open your Facebook application and then tap on three lines at the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings and tap on Account Center. After that, tap on Personal Details, and in Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here select Deactivation or Deletion item, then select your account, and if you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Choose what you want and click Continue. After entering your password, you will be able to completely delete or deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck. See you next time.